Good afternoon. Today I'm outside the High Force Hotel. What we're going to do is have a walk down the High Force Waterfall. I'll just pan the camera around so you can see the hotel. Yeah, there we go. What we're going to do is just cross the road, go down the path, and we'll see a nice waterfall. Come follow me, guys. Welcome to High Force in Teesdale. I've just paid for the parking, so have a close look at this sign. There, I'll have a look at the part where it says Teesdale and Weardale Search and Mountain Rescue Team. Try to be safe, guys and girls. These guys do a very good job. So what we basically do is just cross the road here, being careful not to get run over at the same time. So tickets are required beyond this point. There you go. That's my ticket, guys. There we've got the High Force Hotel. Okay, so across the road, hiya. Keep yourself warm today, why not try a soup and a sandwich for £11. Shame, because we've just eaten an hour ago. High Force Walk and Wood. Would you like to be a king? Would you like to be a king today and see on the high there?
King of what?
King of the woodland today. King of the woodland today. Well, we're doing the things for wildlife here. Nice bird stand there. Bird feeder. So we're going to continue down this track. And start to see River Tees down there. Red robin. Red robin. If you listen, you can hear a robin singing. There we have a robin there. Just going to zoom the camera in. Oh, it's moved. As soon as I zoomed in, it moved. That's nature for you. We are in the animal's habitat. Here's another bird that's found in these parts. Twix the long-tailed tit. As we continue the path down, on the right hand side there's a rabbit. There we've seen a rabbit a deer. Yeah, I'm getting close to the river now. So what we're going to do is just zigzag around here. So we'll end up on this side. Here we come to our first crossing, a little stone bridge. A little grit box for when it gets snowy round here. Imagine it can get very slippy here. Little stream leading down to the River Tees there. You've got a little crag here. If you take a look at the other side of the river, here you can find pine martens. As we walk round, we're surrounded by these cliffs. Okay, as we continue the path, just going around this corner, you begin to see High Force Waterfall. Okay, so if I take a zoom into the camera, there we have High Force in its glory. Zoom back a little bit. Wow, this looks nice. Cliffs at the side of the walkway. Yeah, I'm getting very close to the viewpoint for High Force. Wow, look at the water gushing down there. Amazing sight. If I go to the right hand side of these stairs, I can go over the Woodland circular route. Can zoom in a little bit. I'll zoom in more. Good afternoon, today I'm at High Force Waterfall in Teesdale. Now, if you look at it, if you take a look at the waterfall in all its beauty, it's dropping down 21 metres into the River Tees here. So, High Force thunders over a wave-resistant rock known as the wind sill. This was formed 295 million years ago from molten rock, which solidified underground between older layers of rock. The wind sill is now exposed at the surface after millions of years of erosion. So here you look at the top, these layers of wind sill, then you've got sandstone, then you've got limestone right at the bottom. So beautiful, the force of nature. Okay, we're going to take a look up the stairs on the Woodland circular walk. Hold the handrail. Okay, we just continue up this path. Here you see a wooden fence. And you've got High Force over there, what we've just seen in all its beauty. So just continue our way up the track here. While this place is full of nature, you get European badgers here. Here the woodlands are home to the barn owl as well. Okay, we just continue the trail down, watching that we don't catch our feet on stones or old tree roots. I'll take the stairs route. Yeah, so we just continue down here. There's a little wooden bridge here. On the right hand side, once we get a bit further down, I'll show you where we crossed over earlier. Yeah, so that was the stone bridge what we passed earlier. Just as you go around that corner you can start to see High Force, but we went on the Woodland circular route. This man must be god of the woods. This isn't Bambi. Roe deer found in these woodlands. So much wildlife. It's impressive. Like a caterpillar. Here the wooden kind of big picket fence I'd call it. You turn right, back into the woodland, follow the main trail which is to your left hand side. Here I found a friend for 3 of the cats. Here we've got a wooden sculpture of a barn owl. Barn owls are found in these woods. Here's animals. Finally find bumblebees in here.